A few words exchanged between Yuvraj and Flintoff.
I wouldn't bother Yuvraj if I was you.
That's huge! That is a biggie! It's out of here!
Ravi, I'm backing this one. I think this is one of the biggest. Into orbit. Even bringing smoke in the clouds, this. Off the bat, it's still in the air. We've lost it. There it is again. That's a biggie. Keep going. Oh, I want to know how far this is.
Well, 111 the longest. And this might just go the distance. I think those few words with Flintoff just charged him up a bit.
This bar ul hike, 111 metres. He's in danger here.
It was a magnificent strike. A crunching sound as the ball hit willow. Now a man drops back to deep mid-wicket. Third man comes up. Yuvraj has seen that. He's got a wide range of shots. What's he going to do? Six more! Just a flick of the wrist. And away she goes into the crowd. Consecutive sixes here for the left-hander.
Magnificent hitting this. Yuvraj, we saw him on the boundary edge. Get me in. Just a flick, nothing more. Hard hat time. Look out in the crowd, it's coming again.
Well, this was a new ball that was taken. The first one lying in a gutter, just at the back on some road behind Kingsmead. Second one flicked into the crowd.
.26 from 8 deliveries, Yuvraj. He's not got his eye in yet.
Ooh. This is in the air again. Clears long off, 3 in a row. Yuvraj going to Broad what Mascarenas did to him at the Oval. 3 of 3.
It's raining sixes here. Kingsmead, there's another. Look at the technique. Right foot out of the way. Full swing of the bat. Yuvraj, 32 from 9 deliveries.
6, 6, 6, and it's balle, balle, balle in the crowd. Absolute carnage. Now around the wicket. Will it make a difference? It doesn't. It's 4 in a row. 24 of the first 4 balls.
Here it is again. Yuvraj Singh, 38 from 10 deliveries. 4 sixes in a row. England are having a conference meeting. They're in bits.
Well, he's got the license here to go for the full Monty. 6 out of 6. Well, this is the pressure ball for Broad. If this goes out of the ground, then that team meeting might be just extended a little bit more, David.
8 deliveries to go. It's 195 for 3. We talked speculated on 200. They're way past 200.
Yes, it's because of this gigantic over. Still not completed. Back to over the wicket. It's a scrambled brain as far as Broad is concerned out there.
This is a crowd warning. Look out.
5! Yes! 30 with 1 ball to go. Could he make it 6 out of 6?
Well, it's showtime here. Would you believe this? Clean as you like. Here he goes again. Yuvraj Singh, 44, 11 deliveries. It's up there somewhere.
Yes, we saw Herschel Gibbs doing it in a game against Holland in the World Cup. Now, it's never happened in TT cricket that 5 have disappeared. There's every chance now. And Yuvraj must be favourite here to put this 6th one into the crowd as well. Kingsmead on its feet. So is the commentary box. And here goes Broad. Last ball of the innings. And he's put it away. Oh, has he? Yes, into the crowd. 6 sixes in an over. Yuvraj Singh finishes things off in style. The first time it's happened in 2020. Still one over to go.
Get out of here, Yuvraj Singh. Look at that. India as one man stood together. I don't believe it. I've seen hitting not like this. Massive, absolutely massive. Forget them two, it's all about him. Yuvraj Singh, 50, 12 deliveries. You're kidding me?
Terrific effort, this. That's the second. Number 3, long off. Number 4, backward point. It's every part of the ground. This one over square leg. And this the last one. To make it 36 in that over. That's the full Monty.